Hello, all you teachers, assistants, and administrators out there. My name is Jennifer, and I am the Executive Director of LearningRx in Raleigh and Cary. And I am inviting you to join me and other educators from around the Triangle to a special discussion and workshop designed just for you to learn about cognitive skills in your classroom. Have you ever wondered why one student might be great at reading, but that same student may struggle with math? Or maybe why one student only takes 8 minutes to finish a classroom assignment, but another takes 30 minutes, and some don't finish? Well, the answer is found in their cognitive skills, and this is their toolkit for learning in the classroom. Together, we will talk about the varying degrees of cognitive skills represented in the classroom and how this impacts both learning success and teaching challenges. Learn how to identify a possible cognitive skill weakness and leave equipped with practical ideas and takeaways to implement now. One lucky educator will walk away with a raffle door prize of $200 for their classroom. Space is limited, so reserve your free seat today. I hope to see you there.